Right now I'm going to show you one of the more frustrating 30, 60, 90 problems. Again, I haven't put any side links in here because I want to describe to you what is the most important piece. Finding the smallest side, which is always opposite your 30-degree angle, is the best piece to find always. Sometimes they give it to you, sometimes they don't. But what makes this problem the most frustrating out of most 30, 60, 90 triangles is what they'll do is they'll give you a number of a side length that's next to the 30. And so what happens is you got to use your math to solve these types of problems, but this is not pretty calculations, and because they're not nice calculations, people think that they do it incorrectly. For example, in order to find the smallest side, given that you're right next to the 30-degree angle, you have to now divide by radical 3. Since you're going backwards. Again, you cannot have this answer, so you're going to have to take your 7 radical 3 and rationalize it. So you're going to have to multiply it by radical 3 in the denominator, radical 3 in the numerator. 7 radical 3 divided by radical 9, and then that reduces down into 7 radical 3 over 3. This cannot be simplified, and so your first answer already tends to scare people, because it doesn't look very pretty. I'm going to comfort you and let you know you did everything correct. However, which makes this next part even more difficult is because this calculation isn't pretty either. As mentioned in other videos, the hypotenuse is always double the smallest side in a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So I have to just multiply by 2 in order to find the hypotenuse. Well, since it's a fraction, I'm just going to use 2 over 1. 2 times 7, 14, radical 3 over 3. 14 and 3 again can't simplify, and you'll write your answer like this. So, again, here are your 2 correct answers given a problem like, or a side length of 7. Keep practicing. Try it again and again. Make sure you're understanding the rules of when you multiply by radical 3, when you divide by radical 3, and how you double or cut in half your side lengths. Again, you'll watch my videos on other 30, 60, 90 triangles to help you out.